Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you um, my guide, just how to make a live counter, like a clock. So first of all I'm going to start with creating a Django project. So I'm going to write a simple note for you. So firstly I'm going to start project, start app, define URLs, create views, write ajax. So let's get it. So Django admin, start project, live clock guide, cd live clock guide. Oh. We're going to start an app and we're going to call it main app. Then we need to define it in our settings. Main app, yeah. Here we need to import the include function, and we need to make new route, which will be like that. Include main app.urls. Okay, now we are going to start new file. urls.py inside the main app folder. Here we're going to start like we're going to make two functions, def main, also def get count. I'm going to start two functions. Okay. From dot import views. Views dot main name index path called get live counter views dot ajax get count ajax name get ajax. So also we need to start a templates folder and we need to create like main.html and we need to extend it with jQuery to make our ajax being possible. So okay, now we want to write kind of a function def main, and we are going, but before it we need to create new model. So let me look at my cheat sheet on the second monitor. Yeah, I'm going to call class clock modules dot module, and we are going to make it like two variables time left called models dot integer field. I'm going to make it default by 90 seconds. Also, we're going to make a time start with the date time field. Auto now add equals to true. Also, we are going to add a title, models.car field, and go in max length. I think 20 will be enough. So, okay, let's make migrations. Mm. What's wrong? Mm. Oh, I made a mistake, not integer choices. Integer field, a little bit mistake, sorry. Make migrations. Fuck. Okay. Need to put a pass here until we wrote the function. Python managed by make migrations. Yeah, finally we're going to migrate it. Okay, now we need to create a super user to start new watches. But in this video we are going to take it in only watch, because I'm going to publish second part where we're going to extend this program and we will let users add their own clocks and let them get in their like clocks. Okay, Python manager.py create super user. Yeah, my password will be simple, but okay. So now we have our like template and we need to write some function. Okay, in main we are going to create an object from dot models import a clock. Also I'm going to from Django dot http import JSON response. So okay, we are going to create an object of our clock class. So we are going to clock object. It will be clock.objects.first. So we will correct it in the second part, but in this tutorial we are just taking it on a very simple example. So it's okay. Get time will be equal to clock object dot time left. And finally we are going to render our template. Request main.html, and we are going to pass some variables. Get time, and we will pass here get time. So now we are going to write another, like, I wouldn't call it API, but inside function which we will just like request to. So def count ajax. So we are going to make a variable called count, which will be like clock dot objects dot first. In future we will replace it with a detail page and we will have a like clock ID. So but for now it's only for the one clock. So okay, if count dot time left more or equal to 0, we are going to only more than 0, we are going to count dot time left minus equal 1. So I think if you know the basics of Python, you might understand this spelling. Count dot save. So, and finally we're going to return JSON response. Okay, we're going to have live counter, and it will contain count dot time left. Okay, so probably you might get with it. Okay, so next in main we are going to also I'm going to from dot modules import clock. So to be able to see the clocks. A little bit spelling mistake, sorry. So it's okay. Definitely it's okay. Let's get back to our main main.html. We are going, first of all, we are going to have like counter h1. This title will contain our number of time left. But maybe I want to write some styles. Sans serif, text align center, and empty 50%. Yeah, kind of that. So, okay, let's leave it as it. So after our jQuery, be careful with it. Only after jQuery inclusion, we can write our script. So first of all, I'm going to like $ document dot ready function, and I'm going to start just basic JavaScript function. Okay, so I'm going to use a set interval function to just take off some. I mean, like, it will be so hard for our server to provide like 1,000 like calls to the function in 1 second. Oh, and also, yeah, I need to remember get ajax. So set interval function, and I'm going to start it, and I want to check it each second because we need to delete one. I mean, we need to decrease our quantity, decrease our number of time left to 1 on each second. So set interval, and then we are going to start .ajax, going to start the function which provided by jQuery. Our type is get, URL is going to be use some Jinja. I will copy and paste it to be correctly 100%, not make any spelling mistakes. So then we are going to start to ifs, like success and error. So if it's success, we're going to function dot response, and here we are going to start temp variable which will hold contain response dot live counter. Yeah, so I think you might understand that we get the result and we need to retrieve only live counter. So definitely live counter, because we wouldn't get any others if we will leave it without that. So if, but we need to write some another logic. So for example, we need to make like dot counter is empty to clean it, and also we need to write some logics for our clock. If temp equal less or equal to 0, we are going to append time is over. In other way, else dot counter dot append temp. So I think you might understand it. And in other way, if we get error, we might call function and we are going to alert error. So yeah, I forgot comma. Yeah, alert error. So now we need to get started with it. Manage the parent server. Okay, now we have nothing. Okay, yeah, because we have no clocks. Of course, we will fix it in the second part, but now we will leave it as it. So, okay, in clocks, I'm going to start time left equal to 90 and title first clock. So I'm save it, and I go back to the main page, and yeah, we see the counter, but maybe margin was a little bit too much, but you can see it works. And if I will come to the admin spot, you can see that I can like make it equal to 0, and you will see the result. Time is over. So I hope this guide was useful for someone. I'm going to record the new part soon, where users will be able to create their own clocks. We will add like clock page, like clock detail, so it will be way better than it is. But anyway, it was just simple version of it. So thank you for watching.